friends, welcome back to your social platform of your own Sidhu Defense Academy. Today we are going to give you a live demo of group discussion. Group discussion is our first group test that is conducted on third day of your SSB procedure. In this test, two group discussions are held and it is an informal discussion and not a debate. The group discussion is conducted to know about the candidate's knowledge about the current affairs, history and social issues, as well as his good communication skill, personality, his body language, communication, etc., patience, etc. In armed forces, good and effective communication knowledge is important because you have to live in a company with your subordinates, superiors, and you have to give a good sense of teamwork. So these are the main factors that a candidate is measured. First of all, how you initiate. It means how you start a group discussion. Secondly, your communication skill. It means where you have to take a pause, your stop, or your eye contact. Maintain a good communication skill, speaking skill. It means you have to maintain a nice and audible voice. Be in a good posture while you sitting, and be gentle to accept the point if your point is not feel valid, but be ready with a good point next time. So let's get started. Candidates, are you ready?
Yes.
Today's topic is bullet train. Start.
Hello friends, today our topic is Bulletin Project in India, and I think it is an interesting topic. So now I open the discussion in front of you.
The Bulletin Project is the dream project of our Indian government on all the citizens of India. The Bulletin Project is a very good project which gives the India power to say that we are not behind of anyone in the speed and technology. The Bulletin Project is the project which has our
Bulletin project is considered as a dream project of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the entire country, feeling proud to have its first ever bullet train. The train is run to schedule between Mumbai and Ahmedabad. The total distance will be 508 km and the speed will be 320 km per hour. And its name will be MAHSR, and there will be 12 stations between Mumbai and Ahmedabad.
As we all know, the railway system is a major source of income of our Indian economy. As we talk about the development technology, so we need the bullet trains. Bullet train provide us a better travel experience. They reach the destination of a passenger in a short time, and all we know the time is precious.
So like beside your point, Japan will provide the technology a span of 15 years, 15 among the 15 years, and he will be providing the 15 years and 0.1 interest rate of money. And then 15 years ago, how can we interest rate is very high, so how can we deal with Japan?
But the interest of Japan is very low, 0.1%.
0.1% at the accumulate rate, and 88% of the total amount is also given to the into the India.
And as we calculate the net per value of in future, then the project will be free, and it will be and we call the product and we call the virtual gift from Japan to India.
As we take the example of Uzbekistan, who has recently made a bullet train, the Uzbekistan did not think about that the bullet train give the that much profit he thinks, but the bulletin project gives him the profit in the 2 years of the settling.
Yeah, the bulletin connect the financial capital with the